You may have come across the term webhook in many applications. So, what is a webhook? Let's say you have a one-page website where you want to collect the user profile and save into a third-party application such as Google Sheets. How would you connect them together? Here comes the role of automation such as AI agents which can help you to achieve your goal. And the crucial node of this automation workflow is a webhook. A webhook is an event-driven trigger, meaning it automatically sends data on an event such as status change or data change. The functions of a webhook are: it listens to the input source, accepts the payload data, and sends it for further process. Key parameters need to be defined are endpoint URL address, the payload, and post or get method. So if we look into the whole picture, the landing page sends the data to a webhook, the webhook sends the data to the AI agent, the AI agent sends the data to the Google Sheet. I hope it is clear to you. You can provide your feedback in the comment section and I will surely respond to them.